Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sugar Boy token. Ticker symbol is Sugar. Now this is a very popular meme coin on the Tron blockchain. You can find it on DEX Screener. This token is less than a week old. It was just announced as getting a very big central exchange listing coming up. And they have a market cap of over $12 million already. This token is trending number 6 right now on DEX Screener in the Tron section. Doing very well, the Sugar Boy token. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Twitter, on X.com, that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, November 23rd at 13 hours UTC time. The Sugar Boy token will be listed on a central exchange called XT.com or XT Exchange. So if you're looking to get this token, one way to get it would be to download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on xt.com. Then you would fund your XT account with USDT. Then tomorrow, November 23rd, anytime after 13 hours UTC time, you can go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol Sugar, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Sugar Boy Coin on X, and it says the first boy on Tron with one mission to share his sugar. Has a blue verified check mark there, 56 posts. Contract address is right there. They also have a link to their Telegram right there on the page at Sugar Boy Coin. They just joined Twitter November 2024, and they already have 17,900 Twitter followers. It says they're also followed by XT Exchange. So maybe XT Exchange, though, is not available in your country. Maybe you don't want to use a central exchange. You can also get this token off of a decentralized exchange for trading Tron tokens called Sunswap. Now, there's also another one called Sun Pump, but it says here on DEX Screener that there is a liquidity pool of $478,000 worth of liquidity in Sunswap, and 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So another way to get this token would be to download a Tron Link wallet from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Tron. Now, you could fund your wallet with Tron from a central exchange, fund it with TRX, I mean. So there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with TRX, go into the dApps, find Sunswap, and then you would trade your TRX for the Sugar token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter. You can also find it in their pinned tweet. You can find it on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, and on tronscan.org. There's many different Tron wallets, Tron Keeper, Tron Link wallets that you could find. in the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and it's, if you want to find the statistical information, you can go over to tronscan.org, and it says right now they have 1,632 holders. They've had 5,659 transfers. Total and circulating supply for this token is 1 billion tokens. And then their market cap right now, doing very well. This token has a $12.2 million market cap, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Right now, they're up 3% in the past 24 hours, 13% in the past 1 hour. They have a total 24-hour trading volume today of $206,000. Price today is about 1.22 cents per token. And token pair was just created 6 days, 21 hours ago on Sunswap. So this token is less than a week old, and they have 1,196,000 pooled TRX in Sunswap, which is equivalent to 19,400,000 pooled sugar tokens. Now, everywhere you go, their Twitter, their Telegram, it says CTO, which stands for Community Takeover. Usually there's a Community Takeover claim on a DEX screener when that happens, like maybe the dev abandoned the project, is out of the picture, and now the community is running the project. They'll usually have a time and date when the community took over and why. On DEX screener, I don't see that on there, but their socials both say CTO on them. You can see that on the Twitter right there. And then their Telegram, which is also at SugarBoyCoin, says SugarBoy CTO. Has the contract address right there, the tagline, the first boy on Tron with one mission to share his sugar. And this is the community chat Telegram at SugarBoyCoin on Telegram. They have 1,764 members. 476 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members about this project. Ask questions, learn more by talking to other holders. And the Twitter is going to be a great place for updates like new token listings, partnerships, announcements, memes, all that type of stuff there. Lastly, on DEX Tools, they usually have an audit on DEX Tools, but it says no audits detected for this pool. And they do have a low DEX score because they're lacking information. There's no web page for this token, and I assumed it was because of the community takeover. But yeah, they just have the Twitter, the Telegram, and then the chart sites where you can find information about this token. And then they have this new central exchange listing on XT. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.